Magise Holy Sparkling Essence Mist encourages cellular renewal and targets dull, dehydrated skin by using Zamzam water from Makkah to rebalance and renew your skin. Hyaluronic acid functions to rehydrate your skin. A combination of gluconolactone and glutathione helps to brighten and refresh your skin. To begin, turn the bottom cap and take off the blue lock away. Then, turn the bottom cap clockwise until it is fully locked. And that's when the oxygen gas will be released. This technology will help in turning the essence into a true nanoparticle mist, enriching your skin cells with oxygen. Hydration treatment. After cleansing during day and night, spray the holy mist onto the face until it is covered with all of the mist particles. Gently pat the face with both hands to encourage the absorption of mist within the skin. Makeup tips. Spray the holy mist prior and post makeup application, because a long-lasting makeup requires a fresh, hydrated skin. Extra tips. Carry this holy mist inside your bag. Erase all of your tiredness by spraying the mist onto your face.